What's going on, family? And we're back. So you saw my previous video. If you did not, you need to go watch it. I used primary colors to do a straight pour. I'm throwing this into the Galaxy series because this series is going through all the different experiments and things that I'm trying while learning the Galaxy pour per se, but also to document and share my findings with you all. So everything in the series is not exactly a gallery pour, but you saw that I use my primary colors, and so today I am all about reduce, reuse, recycle. And so the red I mixed some of the blue that I had left over and the red to get this pretty burgundy color. I'm going to use just a little bit of my gold, what's left in this pour as well. I made this green the same way with a lot of yellow and just a little bit of that primary blue. This is the same, it's almost black, but I mixed a little blue in it and then I added a little bit of that burgundy color. It still looks black, but yeah, I just added those colors in there. So this is a new mix colors, custom mix. This is blue and green mixed together. And then I added some light turquoise in it from Blick to get this color. And this, of course, is our hot pink. And you can see my consistency is really thick, just like the last video. There is some air bubbles, so we probably will see a few on the canvas because I just mixed this paint up. I want to get this. So we have our permanent red violet by Amsterdam and our fluorescent pink by Blick. So anytime I play with the fluorescent, especially in a pour like this, I like to always back it up with another paint. If you've never worked with fluorescents, they can be finicky. I would venture or dare to say that fluorescent colors aren't the best at holding up. They have a poor light fastness, so it's not rated here. It tells you on the bottle. And so to make that color better, a better quality, I tinted it. Now, of course, it does lose some of its vibrancy, but you know, give and takes in life, which is why I didn't do my fluorescent green color, even though I really wanted to do that in this pour. I went another route, and I still got a very bright lime green, but it's backed by some better paints that have a better light fastness so that it'll last and it will show up better in the pour. This is a 12 by 12 inch canvas, and this is a 9-ounce cup. Just a smidge of this yellow here. Pour. I'm gonna pour a little bit of our black out. And I'm gonna show you just how thick it is. You can see that it barely moves. See how it still has that mound? That's how you know this paint is pretty thick. One time that the glare is actually useful. Helps you see the mound right there. All right, and here we go. some initial observations. If I ever do this again, I would definitely add more yellow. I like that yellow in there, and I wish that it was there more, and probably more white. We're gonna try to fix this. Oh, I like that. Yeah, I want a little more in there. But the ring, or the rings, if you will, are looking really pretty. I'm just gonna torch around the edge.
All right, so as we add our flow extender here, I just want to wish you an amazing day. If no one has told you, I love you. We have to continue to spread love in this world. And remember, this world would not be the same without you. It would not. It would not. So follow that dream. It's never too late. If this is So I was happy with my composition, but I wanted to expand it. So I decided to spin. And the thing about spinning is literally everything is going to expand. So you kind of have to be mindful. I really like the composition. I just wanted it bigger, but I don't want to lose all my black. So just a little bit of spinning to make it bigger. Then I'm going to do some tilting to keep that black. I love that contrast and change in color. So you can see here, I'm going to tilt one side off and open it up just a little bit more. And, you know, it really, really kind of starts to come together here at this point. So I still ended up losing my black, well, the majority of it. But look right there in the center. That is so amazing. And that is what I'm focusing on at this point. And so I'm doing a little more tilting. And you can see I'm kind of getting like this peak at the top. And I like that because it's breaking up the monotony of the piece and giving it a little more interest. So I'm going to play into that. But my main focus is keeping that center where we see the lime green and the gold mixing and pulling out from that center. I really, really love that. And I'm actually satisfied with the amount of white now because it's just the perfect amount. Loving these colors, just something different. Always keep a little extra paint left over if you can. I'm touching up my sides with my paint here, and you can see I can just dibble and dabble and make it look like it was always there. So there's kind of an art to fixing little edges and corners with your finger. It's just one of those things you kind of learn. I try to take the tip a little bit and drag it into the color that I'm mixing. Here, I just was trying to get it done. I needed to get this video done before I left for a couple of days for work. And so look look at there. I love it. I love it. These colors are outside of my normal, so it's just nice to see something a bit different. And you will see the black still. Once it dries, it's gonna dry a little bit darker. But yeah, there you go. Look at the sides. Love, that's my favorite side. I just love the gradient change. And while we're talking, come experience this with me at the Florida Experience in Seattle, Washington. I can tell you that these classes are filling up. Like, I'm not kidding. It's just been an amazing season of booking, and I want to paint with you. You can find the information below. I'm teaching galaxy pours and straight pours in my class, and we are going to have a lot of fun. I'm going to break it down, make it easy for you to learn, and have some information that you can hold on to so that you can do it when you get back home. So, family, remember, do every single thing with love. Treat your friends, your family, and even your enemies with love. Go ahead and get your ticket. Go ahead and get your airfare so that I can see you in Seattle. And we will have a great time. That is guaranteed. All right. I'll talk to y'all later. Have an amazing, productive day. Peace.